Hello friends, welcome back to Webronaq. In this video, we are going to learn about logical operators in C programming. These operators are used when you want to check more than one condition at a time. For example, checking if a number is positive and also less than 100. I'll explain each logical operator with a simple example. So let's get started. Alright, look at the top of the screen. The heading says Logical Operators in C, and right below it you can see three operators listed: the double ampersand, which is AND, the double pipe symbol, which is OR, and the exclamation mark, which is NOT. These are the three logical operators in C, and we are going to understand each one today. Before we look at the code, let me quickly explain the basic idea. Logical operators work with true and false values. In C, true is represented as 1 and false is represented as 0. So whenever we use these operators, the final answer will always be either 1 or 0. Now let's look at the code. The first line, #include stdio.h, loads the input-output library for printing on the screen. Then we have int main, which is where our program starts running. Inside the main function, we see int a equals 10, b equals 5. We are creating two variables, a is set to 10 and b is set to 5. These are the values we'll use in our conditions. The first printf line simply displays the values of a and b on the screen so the user can see what we are working with. Now look at the first logical operation, the line with // logical AND. Those two forward slashes are called a comment. Comments are notes for humans reading the code. The computer ignores them completely. They are just there to make the code easier to understand. The AND operator, written as ampersand, returns true only if both conditions on its sides are true. If even one of them is false, the result is false. In this example, we check a greater than 0, ampersand, b greater than 0. The first question asks, is 10 greater than 0? Yes, that's true. The second question asks, is 5 greater than 0? Also true. Since both are true, the final result is 1, which means true. Pretty simple, right?
Now look at the next one, the OR operator, written as two pipe symbols, or OR. The OR operator returns true if at least one of the conditions is true. It only returns false when both conditions are false. In this example, we check a greater than 0 or b less than 0. The first condition asks, is 10 greater than 0? Yes, that's true. The second condition asks, is 5 less than 0? No, that's false. But since OR only needs one true condition to give a true result, the final answer here is 1, true. And finally, we have the NOT operator, written as an exclamation mark, or not. This one is a little different. It takes just one condition and flips the result. If the condition is true, NOT makes it false. If it's false, NOT makes it true. So basically, it reverses the answer. In our code, we have NOT of a greater than b. First, the inner condition, a greater than b, is checked. Is 10 greater than 5? Yes, that's true. But the exclamation mark flips it, so the final answer becomes 0, which means false. And at the end, return 0 tells the computer that our program ran successfully. So to quickly recap, AND needs both conditions to be true. OR needs at least one to be true, and NOT simply reverses the result. These three operators are the backbone of decision-making in C. You'll use them all the time in if statements and loops to build smart, condition-based programs. If this video helped you understand logical operators clearly, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Webronaq for more easy C programming tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one.